Hey, young historians, Mr. Moran here. Today we're going to answer the question, what caused the American Civil War? And to answer this question, we're going to focus on some primary sources. And these primary sources are known as the Declaration of Causes of Seceding States. And you're going to pick these excerpts out of these primary sources. And for each one of them, you might find 2, 3, or maybe 4 answers in each of the slides, but I'm just asking for you to pick out one possible answer for each one. If you want to find more, you're welcome to do that, but I'm just looking for one. Also, this is an Kami assignment, so please feel free to either type your answers or you can verbally give that answer or use the video option. Whatever fills your heart with joy, I'm okay with that. Also, we're going to quickly go over the leaders at this time period. And then also, we're going to go over Lincoln's 4 reasons why the South could not leave the Union. And then we're done. So if you have any questions, please feel free to visit during office hours or ask your teachers for help. Talk to you later. Bye.